How to get a Venmo debit card. Welcome back everyone to this quick tutorial video. If you're trying to get the free debit card that is provided from Venmo, in this video let me show you the step-by-step process. If this is something that you want to learn, make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into the video. In order for you to order or get a Venmo debit card from the app of Venmo, you'll need to head over to the section which says cards on the bottom. Once you tap on the cards option, you'll need to pick from the debit or credit card option. Make sure you select the debit card option. Once you do, you'll land up on a similar screen, which is going to give you a few information about the Venmo debit card. Just tap on the Get the Venmo card. Once you do that, in the next section, you'll need to choose the color of the debit card that you like. So you can pick from a bunch of colors. I currently have 5 colors available, but in your case, you may have different colors or more variations of colors that you can pick from. Just tap on the color option that you like and then tap on next on the top right. After you picked your color of your card, you need to make sure a few details are correct. So enter in the first name and the last name. That's added in your Venmo account as well. So type in this information, tap on next. Also make sure to add in the last 4 digits of your social security number and your date of birth as well. This step is important for Venmo in order to check the security purposes. So once you fill in this information, tap on I agree and then tap on next. Apart from this, you may also need to add in your address so that the card can be delivered to you. If you have already added in your address on the Venmo details section, you may not need to add it. You may need to add it so that Venmo can transfer the debit card onto the address that you added in. So after completing these couple of steps, you'll be able to get the Venmo debit card. You can use this card as you normally do and load transactions or connect it with your bank account. So those are the few things that you need to do in order to get the Venmo debit card. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.